After the last update, Canva finally offers a dark mode, so we can turn our UI into the night mode. To do that, click on your profile picture after you log in and search for theme. From here we can select light, that's the standard one. Now we got dark as well. And the third option, the Canva will simply follow your system settings. If you are in this brand new dark mode and then you start the project, you will notice that the whole interface is redesigned. That's not only like the dark color for the backdrop, all of those elements here on the left are also in the dark mode. In some cases, that's gonna be a bit weird. Like here, take a look, we got this transparent dark icon on the dark backdrop. So be careful with the dark mode. If you got dark vector icons, they will appear a bit weird. We cannot really see what's here. But from other hand, if you got something white, it's much easier to spot on this darker backdrop. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.